right, guys, so it is 95 degrees out, and today we are going to go to probably one of the biggest meets of the season. A lot of really nice rides coming from out of state and everything, a lot of SRT Jeeps and whatnot, so sit back, relax, and let's see what we got. What are you trying to do? Ain't gonna be compared to this.
Hold on, I want to. Oh yeah, I gotta do it. 122.6.
Okay, now you do it.
Oh, you have a decimal reader?
Hold on, though. Let me record. Wait.
All right.
One.
What do you get?
Oh,
So you got 122.6.
Okay. Now you.
All right, let me reset it.
What do you got?
129.2. I felt that in
All right.
Damn, it blew you away.
He made my balls look small.
I was wounded.
That was good.
Lost in my ears. I got it back.
I know.
Holy.
There he is. How you doing?
Yeah,
right.
Stock. Yeah, ready for this? We had a stock demon at the Cars and Coffee yesterday. He hit a 127.7, I think. I have to look at the tape. Stock.
What was I at?
You were at 122.
122? All right.
That's great.
Sounds good. So, what was the stock demon?
The demon was 127.7 when he revved it, and at idle when he fired it up, it was like 107.7 just to start up.
Hell
so we
yeah.
were doing everybody. We were going down the line. We were just checking everybody.
What's yours at? Hold on, Lisa. Go back.
128.2.
128? Come on.
128.2. Jesus.
Go ahead. Damn. My exhaust is the quietest, huh? What do you got?
I don't know. I can't hear. What?
Huh? Sounds good. Very deep, very throaty. I like the hood scoop and everything. You did this, or it came like that? Wow. Yeah, this looks good. Not only do I like the car, I love the guys. I love the shirt right here, guys. What?
are probably coming, so we gotta hurry up.
All right.
So
I'm done.
let's
I'm
go
good.
quick. He's
I'm
gonna
good.
do a lunch.
Okay.
He's gonna go.
Hold on. Wait. Let me get behind you. I want to hear this thing.